Hey, keto warriors. If you've ever felt like keto is a struggle, today I'm going to help you reframe your mindset so it feels like a choice, not a chore. This one shift can make all the difference in your keto success. Always keep in mind, keto is a choice, not an obligation. Number one, replace I can't with I don't. Instead of thinking I can't have carbs, say I don't eat carbs because I choose to fuel my body differently. This simple shift puts you in control, not some restrictive rule. You're making the choice to feel better, have more energy, and crush your health goals. Number two, focus on what you gain, not lose. Most people think keto is about giving up bread, pasta, and sugar. But the truth, you're gaining stable energy, fewer cravings, mental clarity, and real food freedom. Instead of feeling deprived, focus on everything you're getting in return. Number three, you're in charge. Own your choices. Nobody is forcing you to do keto. You're doing it because you want to. And guess what? If you choose to have a higher carb meal sometimes, that's your choice. No guilt, no pressure, just a lifestyle that you control. Hey, so tell me in the comments now, what's the biggest mental shift that has helped you stay on track with keto? And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to make keto simple, fun, and sustainable.